How to use netstat to show what process is listening on a port. I'm on an OS X Mountain Lion laptop and have a couple of Vagrant boxes on it. I'm trying to figure out which process is listening on port 8080. My variations produce like 100 lines but none with specific port number. I'm assuming something like
Unfortunately, Onos, you're stuck with a BSD netstat which will not show you the process ID that is attached to a given port. What you have to do instead is use lsof. The syntax you'll need to use is. This will print out gobs of information, most of which you don't care about, but the fields are well labeled. For example, check out this example output. This tells me that port 53237 is in use by process ID 927. When reading the command field, keep in mind that this output is truncated. In reality, the full name of the binary is Google Talk plugin.
This is what I like to use when looking for a listening ports PID. For Linux use, netstat tunnel. In network, L listening ports, P process, TTCP, UUDP. Additional information can be found in the man pages.
I was in the process of modifying netstat on OS X to provide this feature and stumbled upon the fact that V will give you the PID associated with a socket.
For me, the following two lines work best to show which apps have listening ports open, and tunnel, SOF is fully cross-platform.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.